Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ordinal Bored Ape Yacht Club token. Now this obviously is a combination of Bayc and the new very popular Ordinals, which are basically NFTs on Satoshis, fractions of Bitcoin. We've mashed the two together now. Crypto never does that. They never mash two things together. Like Pepe, Floki, Elon Musk, Mars, Baby Jr., whatever, you get it. Anyways, we're going to go over the information on this token because it is trending #1 right now on Pink Sale. Ticker symbol is Obayc. It is in the midst of their pre-sale. They still have about 2.5 days left to go on this pre-sale, and they're already way past their soft cap. This is an Ethereum token. We're going to go over the info on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Ordinal Bored Ape Yacht Club is the world's first bored ape on Bitcoin. We inscribed the Obayc ape on a Bitcoin as an ordinal, fractionalized it into 1 quadrillion times and wrapped it with Ethereum to make it the Obayc coin. Major Bayc and Ordinal plans, airdrops to Bored Ape holders, Ordinal communities, insane Obayc Bitcoin NFTs. They're going to have their own swap, crazy holder bonuses and benefits. Devs from 50 million plus market cap projects, marketers from 9-figure projects. Let's bring together Bitcoin maxis and Bored Ape Yacht Club, ApeCoin holders, for the first time. So soft cap for this pre-sale was set at 10 Ethereum, and so far they've sold 27.48 Ethereum. So it's already a very successful pre-sale. They've almost 3 times their soft cap. This is a public pre-sale. They've had 74 different investors so far. Initial market cap estimate is $72,813. Ordinal Bored Ape Yacht Club is the name of the token. Obayc is the ticker symbol, 18 decimal places. There is a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. And if you missed this pre-sale goes on for another 2.5 days. So if you're a subscriber, you will see this in time. If not, first of all, hit subscribe. But second of all, if you missed this pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over on Pink Sale, you'll be able to get this token on Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Ordinal Bored Ape Yacht Club token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is ordinalbayc.net. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, and we'll go over that in a second. And liquidity will be locked on Uniswap for 365 days. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 50% of the tokens get burnt. 16% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 7.99% go to liquidity, 9% goes to VC vesting daily, and then we got 1% going to VC 3-month daily, and then we got 15.58% going to central exchange listing, staking, and partnerships, and just a tiny little sliver, 0.32% of the tokens are unlocked. So this is a unique project that combines the use of Bitcoin ordinals and the Ethereum blockchain. Ordinal Bayc has decided to make use of the newly developed Bitcoin ordinal system, which allows tokens to launch on BRC20. We have taken a slightly different approach where the token has been wrapped in WEATH, which allows traders to use ERC20 network, which is a generally more popular and widely used than the BRC20. With addition of higher speed compared to BRC20 network, for that we fractionalized the token into 1 quadrillion tokens using fractional art, allowing us to turn the Bitcoin native ordinal into a first ever Bayc token, which lives on Bitcoin. The project involves the creation of wrapped ordinal Bayc tokens, which allows users to access the benefits of both networks and provides interoperability between them. So they have the verified smart contract address at the bottom of their webpage. They do have a Twitter and a Telegram. Now, at the top of the page here, they do have a full audit on Pink Sale. You can check that out. They were audited by Spywolf Network, and you can view the PDF of that audit. And they have a KYC, which means that their team was doxxed to Pink Sale to verify who they are for security reasons. And besides that, their Twitter has 8,249 followers already, and they just joined in May 2023, so they're doing very well. And they have a link to their Telegram on their Twitter as well. Their pinned tweet says, "Attention, all BAYC, MAYC," and that's Mutant Ape Yacht Club holders, listen up. This OBAYC token is giving 3% of its supply to the BAYC, MAYC NFT holders, claiming will start June 18th. Don't miss your chance to get free money. Wait for the official announcement in the Ordinal Bored Ape Yacht Club Twitter. So there you go. Now, they also have a Telegram here at Ordinal BAYC. And their Telegram has 7,641 members. 759 of them are online. And this is the first BAYC on Bitcoin ordinals. So check out this project. It is live on Pink Sale for about another 2.5 days. And then after that, going over to Uniswap for purchase. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.